How airlines prepare for long-haul flight. Preparing for long-haul flights involves a comprehensive process that ensures the smooth operation of the flight and the comfort of passengers. Here are some key aspects of how airlines prepare for long-haul flights. Flight planning. Airlines meticulously plan long-haul flights to optimize fuel efficiency and minimize flight time. This involves determining the most efficient flight route, taking into account factors such as weather conditions, airspace restrictions, and air traffic congestion. Flight planners use advanced software and consult with air traffic control to create the flight plan. Aircraft maintenance. Long-haul flights put additional strain on the aircraft, so thorough maintenance is crucial. Airlines conduct routine inspections and maintenance checks to ensure the aircraft is in optimal condition. This includes checking engines, electrical systems, hydraulics, and other critical components. Any necessary repairs or servicing are performed before the flight.
Crew scheduling. Airlines carefully schedule flight crews for long-haul flights to comply with regulations regarding crew rest and duty time limits.
The crew roster is planned in advance to allow for sufficient rest periods and to ensure that there are enough pilots, cabin crew members, and other operational staff available for the flight. Fuel management. Efficient fuel management is essential for long-haul flights. Airlines calculate the required amount of fuel based on factors such as the flight distance, aircraft weight, expected wind conditions, and alternate airports.
They aim to carry enough fuel for the entire journey while minimizing excess weight, which helps reduce fuel consumption.
Catering. Catering plays a crucial role in long-haul flights, as passengers are typically provided with meals and beverages. Airlines plan the onboard menu, taking into consideration dietary restrictions, cultural preferences, and regional specialties. The catering department ensures that the appropriate amount of food, beverages, and supplies are loaded onto the aircraft. Passenger logistics. Managing passenger logistics for long-haul flights involves various considerations. This includes efficiently processing check-in procedures, security screenings, and boarding. Airlines ensure that there is adequate staffing at the airport, sufficient ground handling resources, and a streamlined boarding process to ensure a smooth experience for passengers. In-flight comfort. Airlines strive to provide a comfortable experience for passengers during long-haul flights. This involves maintaining cabin temperature and humidity levels, providing a range of seating options, and offering amenities such as blankets, pillows, and entertainment systems. Additionally, airlines may offer services like in-flight Wi-Fi, power outlets, and enhanced seat configurations for premium classes. By carefully addressing these aspects, airlines can ensure that long-haul flights are safe, efficient, and comfortable for passengers.